Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to do the revision for geography HSC board examination. So the topic for our revision is the MCQs which we are going to sort out with the help of incorrect factors. So here we are going to find out the incorrect factors. So the first question is continent which have least population. So here we can see we have the continents like South America, Asia, Australia and Africa. Now as the question tells us that we have to find the incorrect option. So the right answer here is Asia. Okay, because Asia has the highest population and here the question is continent which has least population. You have to find out the odd man out. So the answer is Asia. After that we have continents which have large population. So the continents options are Asia, Europe, Africa, South America, or any other option. Apart from this, if there is any other option, then also you can answer. So the answer is Africa. Next is physical factors affecting population. So what are the physical factors? So options are relief, climate, transportation, others. Now we all know that physical factors means which are the factors like natural factors like relief, climate, these are all the physical factors. Now here we have to identify the incorrect. So the answer is transportation. Next question is human factors affecting population distribution. So options are agriculture, transportation, urbanization, availability of water. So here the answer is availability of water. Next question, sparsely populated regions in the world. Now we have options like coastal region, mountainous and hilly regions, hot and desert region, snow covered region. So we all know that it's very difficult to stay in the unfavorable type of climate. So unfavorable type of climate means the places like mountains, hills, or the hot desert places or snow covered places. So because of that the odd man out is coastal region. Next question is densely populated region of the world. So we all know that basically the most densely populated place in the world is basically near the water bodies. Okay, so here the options are hot desert, flood plains, coastal plains and flat plains. So the right answer here is hot desert. Next question is countries which have large population in the world. So options are India, USA, China and Australia. So we all know that India is the second highly populated country, China is the first highly populated country, even USA is also one of the good population you can see in USA. So the right answer here is Australia, as it is one of the incorrect. It's an odd man out and it is an incorrect factor. Next is countries which have low population in the world. So again we have options like China, Australia, Brazil and Romania. Okay, so here we can see the options. From these options the right answer is China. Next question, countries which have crude birth rate more than 10 in the year of 2017. So even such type of questions can be asked in the examination. You just have to tell how is the crude birth rate and in 2017, 18, 19, 20 you just have to take the note of it. So here the answer is Greece. Next question, countries which have crude death rate less than 10 in the year of 2017. So again if you see the options are Greece, China, Sweden and India. So the same question with the death rate is also repeated. So again the answer is Greece. Next question, economic factors responsible for migration. Now we all know that in the case of migration, what are the factors or what are the economic factors which keep on affecting? So you can see here the options are given like education, job, business, and improved standard of living. So the right answer here, if you see, is education. Next question, social factors responsible for migration. So options are health, education, marriage, and improved standard of living. So the right answer here is improved standard of living. Next question, physical factors responsible for migration. So here we have options like cyclones, drought, earthquake, and discrimination. So out of this, the right answer is discrimination because it is not a physical factor. Next option, tertiary occupation. So here we have the options like doctors, teachers, traders, and administration. So we all know in the case of tertiary we have trade as well as we have service sector, right? So the right answer is traders because it is the incorrect one. We have to select the incorrect one. Next is primary occupation. So which is the primary occupation? So options are cultivators, mining, construction, and some other option. Okay, so here the correct answer is construction because it does not belong to primary, it comes under secondary. Next question, secondary occupation. You have to identify the incorrect factor. Now if you see, the options are heavy industries, fishing, small scale industries, and construction work. So here the right answer for secondary occupation is fishing because fishing is the only primary occupation. Next is tertiary occupation. So here you can see we have options like commerce, trade, manufacturing, and communication. So after these all options, if you see the odd man out or the incorrect factor, so incorrect factor is manufacturing because commerce, trade, and communication, these all belong to tertiary and manufacturing belongs to secondary. Last is quaternary occupation. So you have options like education, medicines, research, and communication. So here you can see the answer is communication because communication is tertiary occupation, whereas education, medicine, and research is the quaternary occupation. So this is all about the MCQs like identify the incorrect factors which may be asked in the board examination. So these are the just revision sessions which I'll be conducting henceforth daily. So kindly keep watching the videos. If you like the videos, kindly subscribe the channel, like the video, share it with your friends. If you want to give this test on the Google form, I'll provide the link in the description box. Kindly visit the link and start solving it. Give the answers by the link and then I'll come to know that how many of you have attempted the test. Okay, so thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel.